Changing your travel date on Expedia is simple if you follow these steps. First, visit Expedia's official website. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner and log into your account. Next, navigate to My Trips. Hover over your account name at the top right corner and select My Trips from the drop-down menu. Then, find the trip you want to change and click on it to view the booking details. Look for an option that says Change or Modify next to your flight details. Click on it to start the change process. Choose your new travel dates from the available options. Carefully review the new flight options, including any fare differences or change fees. Once you have selected your new travel dates and reviewed the changes, confirm your selection. If there are any fare differences or change fees, you will be prompted to pay them at this stage. Expedia accepts various payment methods, including credit/debit cards. After completing the process, you will receive an email confirmation with your updated travel itinerary. Review the new details and keep this email for your records. If you encounter any issues online or prefer personal assistance, you can contact Expedia's customer service for help with changing your travel dates. By following these steps, you can efficiently change your travel date on Expedia and ensure a smooth travel experience. For more travel tips and expert advice, subscribe to American Flight Reservation. Travel smart and stay informed. Our flight network works with all major airlines for seamless flight reservations. We assist with booking, cancellations, time changes, and more. Need to reschedule, check in, or upgrade? We've got you covered. Call us at 1321-461-8832 for all your flight reservation needs. For seamless travel experiences, trust our network and call us today.